Why did Jordan switch production from China to Vietnam?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into an interesting phenomenon in the world of global manufacturing. We're discussing why Jordan Brand, a division of Nike, shifted its production from China to Vietnam. This decision wasn't made on a whim. It's actually due to several crucial factors that we'll explore together.
What drove Jordan's shift to Vietnam?
Cost considerations are the first major reason for this shift. Over the past few years, China's labor costs have increased significantly, making it less advantageous for companies like Jordan Brand to manufacture their products there. On the other hand, Vietnam offers a competitive advantage with its lower labor costs, thus helping the company maintain profitability. In addition, trade tensions between China and the US have influenced Jordan's decision. The ongoing trade war has resulted in high tariffs being placed on goods produced in China, which inevitably increases the final cost of Jordan's products.
Why Vietnam?
Apart from lower labor costs, Vietnam provides a favorable manufacturing environment. The country has been significantly improving its infrastructure, has a young, growing workforce, and is establishing itself as a stable and welcoming environment for foreign investment. Also, Vietnam has beneficial trade agreements with several countries, including the US, which helps to ensure that goods can be exported smoothly and with reduced tariffs, providing a substantial advantage over China.
What does this mean for the future of manufacturing?
Jordan Brand's move is symbolic of a larger trend in global manufacturing. Many companies are now looking beyond China when setting up their production lines. This process, known as China Plus One, seeks to diversify production to reduce reliance on China and mitigate risks. Vietnam, along with other Southeast Asian nations, are well positioned to benefit from this trend as they offer competitive manufacturing and exporting conditions. In conclusion, Jordan Brand's move to Vietnam has been influenced by rising labor costs in China, the ongoing US-China trade tensions, and the advantageous conditions offered by Vietnam. This shift is reflective of a larger change in global manufacturing strategies. We hope this video has shed some light on the complex decisions companies make regarding their production locations. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on global business trends.